in a eukaryotic organism. Previously हमने डिस्कस किया कि ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म we have already discussed. So अब थोड़ा सा यूकैरियोटिक के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं कि ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे होती है. इनिशियली जब हम प्रोकैरियोट डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो प्रोकैरियोट में हमने ये बात की थी कि आपके पास RNA polymerase is the enzyme and RNA polymerase was supposed to form different types of RNA, that was messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. What happens in eukaryotic organism? आपके पास जो eukaryotic organism है उसमें there is RNA polymerase type 1, RNA polymerase type 2, and RNA polymerase type 3. These three RNA polymerase are supposed to form different types of RNA, as we already know कि आपके पास RNA is of messenger RNA, transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA. When you guys were in FSC, we have initially discussed the transcription is the formation of RNA from a single molecule of DNA. So the most important of polymerase 1, polymerase 2 and polymerase 3 is polymerase 2 because it forms messenger RNA. RNA polymerase 2 is very important because it forms the main bulk which is messenger RNA. RNA polymerase form ribosomal RNA and polymerase 3 form transfer RNA. So these basically three RNAs are formed from different polymerases. RNA, ribosomal RNA is from polymerase 1, messenger RNA from polymerase 2 and transfer RNA from the polymerase 3, which is vice versa as compared to the prokaryotic organism. When we were discussing the formation of RNA, which is messenger ribosomal and transfer RNA, which was formed from single polymerase, there were no type 1, no type 2 and no type 3, which is changed in this area. Now we come to another thing, that is a molecule of DNA. This DNA is a double-stranded structure. Double-stranded structure, and this is the point of replication. Point of DNA replication. If you go down the stream, this is down the stream. When you go opposite to this area, this is up the stream. When you go down the stream, approximately minus 25 nucleotides, base pairs. If you go down the stream, minus 25 nucleotides, this why minus because you are going up the stream, and this is down the stream, and this is up the stream. This is again, I'm taking my words back. This is up the stream. This is down the stream. So minus 25 nucleotide base pair, there is a box, and the name of this box is data box. This data box is very important for process of transcription. What happens? This ribosomal RNA comes and attaches itself to this minus 25 location, and this minus 25 location, RNA polymerase comes and attaches itself to this data box. As we have discussed earlier, DNA is, when we were talking about DNA, so DNA molecules, there are special types of proteins. The name of those proteins were histone molecules. Those histone molecules having a positive charge, this DNA molecule having a negative charge. These positive and negative charge molecules are coming close together, so the histone molecules are very close. Then what happens? There is process of acetylation. Acetylation is done. This is acetylation. Acetylation is done. Whenever the acetylation is done, the positive and negative charge neutralizes with one another, and these molecules of histones move apart. In this, you can see easier that there is no acetylation. When there is no acetylation, the molecules of histone are close with one another. When there is acetylation, the molecules of DNA are, the molecules of histone are far apart, and the DNA is random. What is the process of why this is significant? This is significant because this area, for example, if a process of replication is there, if a process of replication is starting here, so this area will be widened up. This area is widened up so that DNA polymerase can come and attach itself to this area. So acetylation is there. With this acetylation, we have already we know by now there are specific genes, and these genes are incorporated in the DNA, and these genes are, when they are in the most active regions, then they are named eukaryote, they are named euchromatin. Euchromatin, when the active genes are there, when active genes are present. What are active genes? Active genes are those genes which are involved in the process of transcription.